Hi, I'm Stephanie Conkle, and I just took Victoria Gallagher's Affirmations class, and I have to tell you that it was amazing. I wasn't expecting to have a major breakthrough, which ended up happening. I thought I was just going to go in there and we were going to say all these cute affirmations, and it was just going to be a big feel-good thing, and it was a feel-good thing. But it also did help drill down to, really got down to core issues of stuff that I was dealing with that I had no idea needed to come to the surface. So it bubbled up to the surface, and just a lot of truth came out, and I was not expecting that, and it was a pleasant surprise. I loved it. And then she also gave us the tools and the resources of what to, helped us to understand how we could change that, and gave us the tools to do that. So I really, really appreciated it. Thank you, Victoria. I love you.